So here's an update. This is part 3 of the Datsun 1600. I'm gonna completely swap it. So I picked up this K24A JDM, and I have a Mazda Miata 5-speed transmission. I'm gonna buy the plate adapter and everything, but this right here, I'm revealing to you guys my plan. I'm gonna obviously strip this down because I can't use all of this. I'm not gonna use the AC or power steering, and this manifold I can't use. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna keep you guys posted, but this is the big surprise. Obviously, it hasn't been done before, so I'm gonna be in new territory in the Datsun world. I've seen it done in a 280Z and like a 260 and 240Z body, but never done in the Roadster in the one that I have. But they actually put Miata motor into our bodies, so it shouldn't be that hard. So, you know, my main concern now is going to be I have to fabricate motor mounts. I have to fabricate a few other things that they do not sell, as far as the transmission mount and the motor mounts. That's gonna be the hardest. But yeah, this is it, guys. We're going K24.